Hello everyone! I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to work on the English alphabet and the French alphabet. So let's start with the English alphabet. Listen carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Easy. Well done. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Well done. Good job. Okay, well done. Thank you so much. Now let's go through the French alphabet. L'alphabet français. Listen carefully. Écoute bien. A, B, C, D, O, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Easy peasy. Now repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, O, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's the French alphabet. C'est l'alphabet en français. Easy, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Please don't forget to repeat after me each time you watch this video. Okay? Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all. Bye bye. A bientôt.